Afternoon, everyone. Well, I am a research scholar at IIT Kharagpur, and I have come here on behalf of Professor Aurobindo Rautre, who is an associate professor at Electrical Department of IIT Kharagpur. Well, so I'll speak about development of a product, and the product is about assessment of alertness level in human drivers. The project is carried out by IIT Kharagpur and it is sponsored by DIT New Delhi. Well, this is the working group. It's Professor Aurobindo Rautre, as I told. Then there is Mr. Tara Shankar, who is amongst us here present, and the research scholars who are working. There is Mr. Supratim Gupta, myself, R. Vignesh, and Tapan Pradhan. So let us take a brief idea how and what is the necessity that our product is being developed. The first thing is that the increasing road accidents. We know that a lot of accidents have occurred this recent past, and the major cause being the drivers are not alert, like they are falling asleep, like certain cases we know that the drivers are drunk or they are not attentive, they are thinking something else or they are not alert. So our product will assess the alertness of the driver, and if the alertness level is very low, like the driver is not alert, he is busy somewhere or he is feeling sleepy, then the product, the hardware will inform the driver that you are getting sleepy, you are not alert, and will warn the system. And this might cause, this might prevent many accidents. So this is the aim of the product. So as it goes, then we are developing some real-time algorithms to assess the alertness level, and then we will implement those algorithms on an embedded platform, and then we will test, validate, and we will get a final product. Well, so as we can see that what are the criteria we have used to measure alertness. We can measure alertness of a person like using physiological signals like the EEG signal, ECG signal, speech signal. These signals usually vary when a person is feeling drowsy or is not alert. Then by facial expressions like tracking the eye, tracking the face, and locating the eye. By this we can calculate that whether the person is alert or not. Then we can also use other things like subjective analysis and voice response with the vehicle. Among all these methods, we can see that the image-based methods will not distract the driver. Other methods, like if you take EEG signal while the driver is driving, it may distract the driver. It may not be a very good effective method. So other methods will be used only for validation. Only image-based methods will be used for implementation. So basically I am working on image-based methods based on ocular measurements. We are considering two main measurements. One is called PERCLOS, that is the percentage closure of the eye. Now suppose a driver is going to feel sleep, so his eye will remain closed maximum times. He will be blinking very much, as it's obvious, like whenever a person is going to sleep, he will keep his eyes closed and there will be rapid closure of the eye, and this is an indication of drowsiness. Then comes the rapid eye movement. Now, if a person is alert, his eyeballs will be moving very fast, very rapidly. But if a person is not alert or if he is feeling drowsy, then the eyeball movement decreases, and hence this is an indication of inalertness or inattentiveness. So already I have implemented this PERCLOS algorithm on a hardware. The hardware is of National Instruments NI Smart Camera, and the software platform I have used is LabVIEW. Well, about the algorithm, I have used two algorithms for detection of eye and face. One is a template-based pattern matching, and the second is the principal component analysis-based method. Using these methods, I have detected eyes from the face, Then I have compared open and closed eyes, and I have calculated a value called per close. And as I said that if that per close value is more, then a red alert will signal. That means the person is feeling sleepy. And if the green alert shows, that means he is okay, he is normal. There is a video demonstration which I can show. Okay.
Even here, you can see the alertness.
Okay, so other platforms are also used. This is the SBCs, the Intel Atom SBC and Android platform. Now about the system development. So what we need is that we need a camera for capturing the face on live, then a processing unit which will process the facial expressions, the eyes, it will track the eye and then detect whether the person is alert or not, and there will be a speaker for possible warning that sir, you are not alert, or you're going to sleep. So it will warn the driver or the passengers, and the driver will come to know that yeah, I am going to sleep, and many accidents can be prevented by this. So this is the product what we envisage. There will be an SBC, some camera, hooter, and an LED matrix. And the future work, what we are going to do is that these implementations of the new algorithms like speech, EEG, SACAD, and then we'll make the final product, and then we can tune the product finally, so get a very good product which can definitely be very useful for preventing these traffic accidents. Okay, thank you.
Well done.